the best travel apps for planning your South Pacific adventure. Dreaming of a South Pacific getaway? With the right apps, planning your island escape is a breeze. Let's dive into the digital tools that'll make your adventure unforgettable. 1. Skyscanner. Compare prices across 1-200 airlines and snag the best deals with Skyscanner. Set up price alerts and explore with the Everywhere search option. 2. TripIt. Forward your booking emails, and TripIt crafts your itinerary. Share plans with loved ones and access details offline, perfect for remote island hopping. 3. Airbnb. From cozy rooms to luxury villas, Airbnb connects you to unique stays. Dive into local culture with Airbnb experiences and chat with hosts for insider tips. 4. TripAdvisor. Millions of reviews at your fingertips. Find top-rated hotels, eateries, and attractions with the Near Me feature, guiding you to the best spots nearby. 5. Google Maps. Navigate with ease using detailed maps and offline access. Discover nearby essentials like restaurants and attractions. No Wi-Fi needed. 6. Google Translate. Break language barriers with real-time text and speech translation. Use your camera for instant sign and menu translations, even offline. 7. XE Currency. Stay on top of exchange rates and convert currencies on the go. The offline mode keeps you informed, even in the most secluded paradises. 8. Rome to Rio. Plan your route with various transport options. Calculate travel times and costs to manage your budget effectively. 9. Trail Wallet. Monitor your expenses and set daily budgets. Add expenses in multiple currencies and categorize them to track your spending. 10. PackPoint. Generate a custom packing list based on your itinerary and activities. PackPoint considers the weather, ensuring you're prepared for every adventure. Embark on your South Pacific journey with confidence. These apps cover flights, stays, navigation, and more, letting you focus on the beauty and culture of the islands. Download your favorites and start planning today.